This is the new AirPods Pro 2nd generation with USB-C MagSafe Charging Case. What is up guys, my name is Chase and Apple just released this brand new version of the AirPods Pro 2nd generation alongside the new iPhone 15 models, which also feature a USB-C port. So let's open up this box and see what's new. Here's a look at the back of the box showing the new AirPods Pro 2nd generation with the USB-C MagSafe Charging Case. As is tradition, we get some pull tabs here, which makes the box very easy to open. Alright, so first off here we have all of our paperwork and whatnot. Here is our AirPods Pro Quick Start Guide, which shows how to get it all set up with your iPhone, as well as some of the features that you'll find packed in these AirPods Pros. Unfortunately, it looks like we do not get any Apple stickers with the AirPods Pros. Kind of sad to see, maybe I'll have to return these because of that. Anyway, right underneath all of our paperwork, we have the brand new AirPods Pro 2nd generation with USB-C charging case. Let's lift it up out of the box here, and here is the new charging case. We'll set that aside for now and take a look what is at the very bottom of the box here. We get some ear tips, which you can use with these AirPods Pros. We have the new extra small ear tips, small ear tips, and large ear tips, which means that these AirPods Pros come with the medium ear tips already installed. And lastly, we have our Apple USB-C to USB-C cable here. It is a nice braided USB-C cable, which I always love to see. But now that we got all of that out of the way, how about let's take a look at the actual AirPods Pro 2nd generation with the USB-C case. And here they are. So yeah, the newest feature with this model of the AirPods Pros is the new USB-C port on the MagSafe charging case. Once again, this makes these AirPods Pros a perfect accessory to go alongside the new iPhone 15 models with the USB-C port. On the side, we have our little holes for a lanyard. We also have what I believe are the speakers to use with Find My on your iPhones. And now how about let's actually pop these open and take a look at the AirPods Pros themselves. So here are the brand new AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and as you can probably tell, for the most part, they look pretty much the exact same as the 1st generation AirPods Pros. And for the most part, the AirPods Pro 2nd generation just have some updates under the hood of the actual AirPods Pros. So I am actually upgrading from the original AirPods Pros 1st generation. I'm very interested to test out these new AirPods Pros and compare them with the original AirPods Pros. We'll see if I will actually be able to tell the audio quality difference between these two models. The 2nd generation AirPods Pros are supposed to have better acoustics and better overall quality, so we shall see if I can actually tell any kind of a difference. Let me know in the comments if you guys want to see me review these new 2nd generation AirPods Pros. If you want to watch another one of my tech videos, feel free to check out the video below. For now, thank you so much for watching. My name is Chase, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye.